Today I am thinking of home. I got vegetables. We call vegetables muriwo in Zimbabwe, and this is sukuma wiki in Kenya, I understand. Sadza, ugali, cooking day, and there I've got a pot of tilapias in tomato and onion sauce. So that's fish. So that's fish cooking day. That's ugali, sadza, shima, and that's vegetables. So yeah, keeping African knowledge alive in the diaspora. I'll show you the end result. So this is the end result. This is ugali, sadza, with fish and green vegetables. So haven't forgotten traditions from back home, lessons from back home. Lessons from back home haven't been forgotten. Years down the line, decades down the line, still eating sadza, still eating our fish stew, still eating our vegetables, our muriwo, our sukuma wiki. Some things don't change.